Good morning, students. Welcome to the lecture of Emerging Trades in a Mechanical Engineering. We are already started our discussion on chapter number 1, that is recent trades in a automobile industry. The course outcome for this unit is identify different new systems available in automobile. For better understanding, the unit outcomes are classified into three groups. First, classification of hybrid car. Second, hybrid car manufacturers and their specification. Third, limitation, advantages and benefits of hybrid car. In last lecture, we are already discussed about the classification of hybrid car. So, today's lecture, we are going to learn about hybrid car manufacturers and their specification. The key points are: first, hybrid vehicle manufacturers; second, specification of car. So, hybrid vehicle manufacturers, on your screen it indicates a different manufacturers of hybrid car across the world. These are the company logos. For example, Ford, Fiat, BMW, Chevrolet, Volkswagen, Volvo, Kia, Mahindra and Mahindra, Maruti Suzuki, Mercedes-Benz, Jaguar, Lexus, Skoda. All these companies manufactures a hybrid car. Now, hybrid car manufacturers in India. Then we will see the hybrid car available in India and manufactured by some few companies. For example, Mahindra and Mahindra. Mahindra and Mahindra availables for Scorpio, XUV 500, Bolero. Second, Maruti Suzuki. Maruti Suzuki available for Baleno, Ciaz, S-Cross, Ertiga, XL6, Vitara. Third, Toyota. The vehicle available for Toyota is Toyota Camry, Toyota Glanza, Toyota Prius. Fourth, MG Hector. The vehicle available for MG Hector are Super MT, Smart MT and Sharp MT. Now we will see vehicle specification one by one. First, Toyota Camry. The Toyota Camry comes with 2.5 liter 4-cylinder motor featuring D4S direct injection system, and it is more advanced technology used, that is VVTi IW, that is variable valve timing system. It comes with new 6-speed automated gearbox and it generates a power and torque up to 131 kilowatt at the rate 5700 rpm and 221 newton meter at the rate 5200 rpm. In this, the engine performs electric power up to 160 kilowatt. The battery used in this is nickel metal hybrid and it gives a voltage up to 245 volts. The motor used in this, the permanent magnet synchronized motor. It generates 88 kilowatt and 202 newton meter. Now BMW i8. It powered by 1.5 liters 3-cylinder engine. It drives a rear wheel and produces a maximum output of 231 bhp and 320 newton meter. In this, the internal combustion engine drives a rear wheel and the electric motor drives the front wheel. This indicates this is a split hybrid vehicle as well as full hybrid vehicle. It gives a combined output of 361 bhp and 570 Newton meter. In this, the engine is connected to 6-speed automatic while the electric motor is connected to 2-speed gearbox when driving in full electric mode. So the hybrid car, this hybrid car is a sporty car and it adds a electric range up to 25 to 35 kilometer, and it can achieve a top speed up to 120 kilometer per hour in EV mode. Third, vehicle specification, Volvo XC90 T8. It has an engine of 2-liter turbocharged and a supercharged with 4-cylinder petrol engine. It makes 320 HP with 87 HP of electric motor. It available in two models. First, Excellence. Second, Inscription. So again, it is a split hybrid as well as full hybrid. So the total output stands at 407 HP and 400 Newton meter of torque. In this, the drive goes to all four corners through an 8-speed automated gearbox with the engine powering to front wheel and electric motor powering to rear wheel. The electric range is up to 40 kilometer. Next, Lexus LS500H. It pairs a 6-volt, or you can say that V6 3.5 liters direct injection system. In this, the self-charging electric motor delivers 264 kilowatt horsepower with a maximum fuel efficiency. The combined power and torque is 354 HP and 353 Newton meter. In this, the electric engine power and torque will be 177 HP and 300 Newton meter at the rate 0 RPM. The battery used in this lithium ion, and it gives the voltage up to 311 volt. MG Hector. The MG Hector, it is a hybrid petrol variant, consists of 1.5 liter turbo petrol engine and making 143 bhp and 250 Newton meter of torque, and it is connected to 6-speed manual transmission system, and it offers extra 20 Newton meter of additional torque boost, and that will also assist the engine to start and stop feature at ideal speed condition. Also, this system indicates regenerative braking system. Now, smart hybrid vehicles by Suzuki. It consists of three main elements. The 48-volt integrated starter generator performs the function of alternator, electric motor and starter motor. In this, the battery used is 48-volt lithium ion battery. It is positioned under the front passenger seat so as to not hamper the sitting arrangement as well as luggage space. In this, the converter converts, or it transforms voltage from 48 volt to 12 volt to supply onboard equipment whenever requirement. The weight of all components is up to 45 kg. The capacity of this lithium ion battery is up to 8 Ah. The electric motor generates up to 10 kilowatt and 50 Newton meter of torque. Next point is the hybrid vehicles is broadly classified into three groups. That first mild hybrid, second split hybrid, and last is full hybrid. On your screen it indicates that the mild hybrid will be again classified into three groups, means General Motor, Honda and Porsche. Again split hybrid, Toyota, Ford and Lincoln. And full hybrid, Toyota, Porsche and Volkswagen. That's it from today's lecture. The remaining bit we will cover in next lecture. Thank you.